Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is GameDev HQ, and enjoy the best of made with Unity. Divine Studios has a new ranged weapon lock-on mode. Man, this looks so damn good. So damn good. It's just clean, great effects, great third-person control, great visual effects, everything. Wow. Great, awesome. This is definitely going to be a good game when it comes out. 10 out of 10. Isaiah Toth is doing some footsteps, and he likes them so far. Can't complain, man. Looks good. I love the vegetation. I love the grass. I love the atmosphere that it gives. Great work. Looks really nice. Planet of Glue, Lakes and Ponds. Nice little isometric view of the game environment. I think that's really cool. We featured this several times. Actually looking forward to the actual release date of the game. But yeah, it looks really clean. I like it. Let's give it a 8.5 out of 10. Unicellular Games. Nice little 2.5D side-scroller. Cool rolling mechanics. Dynamic camera angles. Great job. Looks like you're using Cinemachine. I love it. I love watching people use Cinemachine correctly. This looks awesome. Great work. As Dusk Falls, which path will you take? What choices will you make? This looks like a visual novel using Unity. Looks really good. Should be interesting. I'm curious how this thing turns out.
You help me take care of my family, I'll help you take care of yours.
You swear it won't happen again?
Good voice
I
acting.
just want to know that we can make it through this.
On the ground now!
This is an expertly done trailer.
You're making a huge mistake!
Daddy, don't go! Dad, run!
Wow.
All you had to do was keep your mouth shut! What are you doing?
Improvising. I'm not just gonna abandon you.
This is good, guys. This is real good.
Family means sacrifice.
Damn. This is gonna be good, guys. This is wow. Wow, that's really impressive. That goes beyond just game development. That's storytelling. That's getting people involved in it. That's an experience, you know. And when you guys make games, man, it shouldn't be about the numbers. It should be about the moments, and that is reeking of moments right there. 10 out of 10. Awesome, good work. I'm looking forward to playing it. High School Overdrive, developed in Unity game engine. Look good. We featured this several times before. I didn't know that guys in school were such jerks, but apparently they are, and they need to get taught a lesson. So that's pretty cool. But it looks good. It looks good. Good combo systems. It's awesome. Little Gator doing this cool tiptoe sequence down some power cables. Looks good. Nice physics, nice bounce. I like how the power cables end up pulling back up as soon as he steps on it to show tension. Very good work. I like it. Cornflower Blue. Nice platforming system, nice third-person character system, great fluidity. Really nice job with that. Your character feels very fluid, very organic. There's nothing stiff about it. It's got a great sense of movement anticipation. I love it. Great job. 9 out of 10. Good work. Even though there's no level, I just see the potential in all of it. Ed created some co-op footage over the weekend. This looks dope, man. Great work. Nice little co-op game. A lot of destruction, a lot of havoc. Can't complain about this. This is what people want. Glaciered. Ooh, wow. This is a beautiful looking sea. Oh, look at that shark. That is how you do anticipation. It reached back, it paused for a second, you registered it, and then it attacked, and it went fast. It was not one swooping movement. It was right there. I love that. Characters look good. Monsters look good. Everything under the water looked great. Excellent job. 10 out of 10. Good work. Let's see. Insects and Waterfall update by Miju Games. Great environment, very creative. I love the sky of mushrooms. That's pretty unique. New biomes, new secrets. This looks good. This looks really fun. It should be a great exploration game. Good work. Sidness is showing crossing organic paths. Oh, very nice. Very creative. I love the vegetation. I love how it feels. A lot of work went into the level design and the lighting. Expertly done. Good work. Steve Mason is showing some progress that he's worked on with his new wrestling game. I love this. This looks dope. This looks really good. I think the animations are top notch. I love the mixture of ragdoll along with it, where the legs aren't bending over the heads or anything like that. It's just nice, form-fitting physics interacting with the different chairs and different ropes. Great work all around. 9 out of 10. Good work. Demo trailer for Cataholic. Looks good. It looks almost like 3D rendered. It doesn't look like in-game. I'm assuming it is. This looks almost like something done in Maya. Oh, okay. That probably was done in Maya, and this is the actual game environment. Okay, this looks more like it. Oh, this looks good. It looks cute. There you go, Cataholic. Carl, and you're taking on a dreadnought in the asteroid belt. Okay, that's cool. That's dope. I like it. I could dig it. Yeah, if there was anything, I know that people like space environment to be, beautiful, but sometimes it's also cool to have like sharp, harder lighting to kind of emulate the space environment. Like not so dark you can't see things, but dark enough to where it's like, oh wow, I really am in the emptiness of space. But that's just my vision. That's my artistic preference. But if your artistic preference is different, that's totally cool. But otherwise, great work, man. Love it. Ben Sims is Through the Darkness He Will Find You. This looks fun. Oh, I like this. I love horror games like this. I don't know if his animation was meant to be that rigid, but it looks a little like choppy. So I'm curious if you're switching animations versus actually changing animation states. The changing of animation states with Animator will create a far smoother transition. But if your intention was to eliminate the smooth transition, that's cool too. And if you're trying to look for like a distorted, like kind of thing that you see in some horror games, maybe possibly going onto the animation timeline and readjusting the playback using a random range will get you that crazy kind of jerkiness as well. Dust Chamber is showing off mold. Man, this looks good. This looks really clean. I like this. Ooh, nice gun. We featured this before. Ooh, see, this is the stuff where I'm like, I would love to talk to the developer to see how they did that, because I could not tell you for the life of me how he created that dust effect. But that looks so good. It's so good looking. I am so impressed. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. 10 out of 10. Good work there. Awesome. Circuit Superstars, the perfect weather for a classic track day. This looks really good. There's a couple racing games that are coming out using Unity. This is certainly up there. This looks really nice, really clean. All the turns, all the animations, the lighting, the GI, the baked environment looks beautiful. Everything is so smooth and silky. There's nothing harsh or uncomfortable about it. I love it. Great work. Awesome. Pyrolith is showing off hacking an aerial mech. Looks like he's going to jump into the mech. He stabs the sword in. So he's got like a mini game to actually hack the mech, which is pretty dope. Like we don't see that a lot. Oh, look at that. He's got the mech. Very nice. That's a very cool mechanic. Good job. 9 out of 10. Good work. Trifox is... Yeah, that song is definitely going to demonetize this video, but that's okay. This looks pretty good. I like the animation. I like the character. I like all this other stuff. It's really good. I give it a 9 out of 10. Train Wiz is showing off the first draft of every side quest. This game's been going on for a while. It should be really cool to see the final product. I know that we've talked to them in person, and you know, he's mentioned that his game is going to be absolutely awesome. So it's going to be dope. It's going to be dope to see how this turns out. So looking back at what were the best ofs this week, I think As Dusk Falls is probably going to be my best of chosen this week. You know, that interactive storytelling experience, very Telltale Games-ish. It should be pretty fantastic, and just even though it's like still photos, it's artistically well done. They added a lot of animations along with that. It should be really cool to see. So that gives my best of the week this week. What do you guys think? What is your score? What do you think rated the highest this week? You let me know in the comments. Otherwise, this is Al. I'm out of here, and you have a good one. All right.